I need a video idea. Let's see, what do I got in my book? Time lapse already done. Potions already done. Obliterate witty already done. That was a failure. God Eater already done. Glitches IRL already done. Yeah, that was a fail. Clean laptop. Why is that there? Well, I guess it isn't mine. Guess I should clean my laptop. It has been a long time since I've cleaned this thing. I don't know why this is on here. I guess it just wants me to clean my laptop for a video. This is boring. This is like really boring. Wait a second. What's that under clean laptop? Destroy laptop? Oh, now that's why it said clean laptop. To destroy it. Yeah, I get that idea. I think it just needs a little glue. And done. I was able to fix the computer, guys. I just upgraded the model a little bit. That's all. Anyways, well, I really did clean this computer a lot. It's way better now.